Megidewe ha, megidewe ha, megidewe ha, n'ibe megidewe ha, matobi megidewe ha, elu megidewe, elu na megide nyosi n'ọgara adịrị anyị na mma o. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to some of you. It depends where you are getting our videos from. Good night to some of you. From me, from here is good afternoon. Today, I'm still on my red cap. Why? Makana ọbara na-agba n'ala Igbo. Ala Igbo na-agba ọbara. Ọbara na-agba there. Ọbara na-agba n'ala Igbo. Okweghị m odidi. Ọbịa bụ ife unu furu ebe a. Ọbara na-agba n'ala Igbo. Ala Igbo na-agba ọbara. So, before we start today, please, this is USB Gospel. Please, I want to beg you, when you get our videos, please, when you watch our videos, subscribe to our channel, share our videos, comment your comment, drop your comment, whatever you think, you comment there, but let's comment with respect and everything. We are not here to disrespect anybody because of we have to buy by the rules. Okay, let's do everything according to the protocol. Okay, thank you, men and women. Thank you, lovers of freedom. Thank you, the good peoples in the world who love good things, who stand for justice, equity, and fairness. I say I welcome you all in this very program in this afternoon. Let's move. Please, before we drive today, I want this message is going to Dr. Damage and Chidi Nwayaowo. Anybody who knows them, these two men, as you are getting this video, please make sure that this video gets to them. Because of I have question for these two men. Dr. Damage. Why? Because of you are the one, you know how you can bring them together. They are your people. Ngeji Igbo were gbago kunu na asu Igbo. Mene ha asugodi Igbo ga kpọ onye ngemere gị interpret n'Igbo. Maka ị na-anụ Igbo, Dr. Damage Igbo onye Igbo ka Igbo. Chidi Nwayaowo ị na-anụ Igbo, menegodo anọ ekpo onye ga na-akọwara gị n'okwu Igbo. Ana m achọ ịjụ Dr. Damage and the Chidi Nwayaowo. You host a program in your platform. You may organize your people na gather. Them Ekpa Simon Ekpa, Mazi Simon Ekpa, the PM himself. I gather there. All of them gather. Onye nkozo say you are not getting it right. You are not doing it right. Nkozo say no onwere ka esi eme, na inihe emete. Since ahụ, Chidi abịa, obido ime accuse innocent man, Mazi Simon Ekpa, na your own platform, Dr. Damage. In your platform, all these things now happen, or be ebe ahụ na-aba in your platform, na-abara Simon Ekpa mba na your platform. Na eme ya accuse na nkozo njikwere eme onye nkozo njikwere nwo nkozo anwo. Emegdere all these things now. Or say na very soon that this madness of his will end very soon. Now, Mazi Simon Ekpa, the PM, is no more on the show. The same thing these people did, I know Chidi when he was with our leader. When our leader disappeared, Obukwa these people on a bugaripe freedom what do you call it if show revolution now okwu revolution now ka ọ na-ekwu. Obukwa some of these people are the ones criticizing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu onwe kwere eme na ihe emete otu a na-emekwa ya otu. But vacuum have come for them for long time. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not there. Enwere ka esi eme ka emekwa ya otu a ka eme ya otu a. Biazenunu bia eme nkunu unu anyoko nyupa. Simon Ekpa Abiana, which is the PM, Abiana cover the space. None of you people can able to cover that space, but all being on social media ranting and then make people insult anyhow. Ndibo. This pattern and the Chidi was somebody basically, yes, I have interviewed our leader. And do you know what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu always said? Osigu only Igbo, you as an Igbo man, what you cannot do, you see your brother doing these things, embrace that your brother that is doing what you cannot do. Ndị Igbo si na before etu ogu dike na ọ bụ ọrụ nwoke nrụrụ ọrụ ịrụrụ ga-etu gị dike na ọ bụghị ị gaghị echi gị onwe gị dike. No, maka dike bụ ife imere ka eji akpọ gị dike. From what you do ka a ga-eji wee kpọọ gị dike. Una will just hatred for nothing's sake put on top of this man called Mazi Simon Ekpa Njoko. Hatred for nothing because of Obuhomowa. Mobuhomo nna kifa na-eme ka ọ gasa. But I have to say, okay, now una plan on a kuko with the Musa Nigerian government. This program you also be had long, but I want to come for. I want Dr. Damage to see what they committed in that his platform. This guy no there now Mazi Simon Ekpa, this and that, this madness. Okay, now Mazi Simon Ekpa is no more on the show. Dr. Damage, what I want you now, go and gather Chidi and those his gang again. Now her name is Simon Ekpa insult now. Don't keep quiet. Don't keep quiet because of Aruna Nemena Nibo. This is what Simon Ekpa was standing for, was blocking for years. That our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not around. This young man stands resolute to do this thing that none of you can do. None of you can do this. This young man take that bull by the horn. No, Nande Dr. Chidi, go on your platform. Nande Kanasina, people are dying, this and that. Now, did you see what is happening in Ebonyi State and Enugu State? If literally everywhere. Nobody is talking anymore. Maguma na Chidi that place because you want to accuse you. Now one day I will only relate them or again name accuse or the Simon Ekpa accuse on that your platform. Now, if Rosu Litosi there in the church, Ucheye, Kangane Uchi, Ngane Uchiogri, He your governors, your religious leader, why Rosu Litos everywhere? Chidi, there is nowhere to find Chidi anymore. If you petition up and down. Onye now, who are you guys going to accuse now? Now this one now, Simon Ekpa is no more there. You see what Nigerian government and their terrorists armed bandits. Abirana, that is what mass they know that you DK. No, DK what you did. Ako ifi mere ka ga eji wetu ogu dike maka ụwa ga-afụ anya ga-afụ ifi mere onye ntị ga-anụ ya onye ntị na-anụ ya because of that is why you ntị fụ Musa na-ebe akwa. Now Musa na-aga nke ya now ewepụne n'ụzọ wute ego achọchara many of you people si kpọta ka egbu the same thing ka emere Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. What you cannot do when you see your brother doing it, embrace him, empower him. But ndị Igbo ma ọ bụ homo some mgbe eze ga-akwọtọ gwakeneme in a society Ofonye mbueze. Ofanya. Eji ofanya na afozo. In which society that thing happen? Many of these guys ranting all these things. They will be saying, oh, Simon Ekpa is a small boy. You're a small boy, but many of the country that you reside, who is ruling you as their president or your prime minister is a small boy too. You see not that person. Bunch of fools. Now, then we come now and be talking about Simon. Okay, did you see what military now did now in Enugu State? Also little everywhere. A woman came to church, man, they also property in the matter nowhere to find you, Dr. Damage. Now, in that platform, imagine say more organize all this your gang anymore. To call them, say, let's talk now. Because of before, no one made Simon Ekpa accused. Now, look at Simon Ekpa wasn't here for some months now. Look at what is happening there. So for them to come now, know that what they are accusing this innocent man for is false information. Let them come to your platform and say it out. Please, as you are watching this video, please subscribe to our channel. Go to our channel, subscribe to our channel, drop your comment, share our video, tag Chidi and tag Dr. Damages. Please, as you're doing this, make sure anybody who knows them, as you're getting this video, send this video to them. Then brought Mazi Simon Ekpa in that platform. That is the only person. So, Dr. Damage, in that your platform now, you cannot bring that governor. Governor of Ebonyi State, the youth, don't retaliate. Go in your room and sleep. Again. Soldier, wait, I'm coming now. Let's go to somewhere. Soldiers are accomplished of what happened. Soldiers are the Nigerian military. Ask these men and women that, oh, terrorists are coming to attack you people, but what we will do? Nobody should go to Sahara Report. Before you say that I'm the one that, go to Sahara Report, then publish it out there. I will still show you very nice video that our brother did, Okocha. Ask these innocent men and women, go to your room and stay. That these people will come, so that if you stay there, now these people now stay in their houses. Nobody comes out. Then come in their houses. About their houses. Okay, man, this was their plan for them to not run away, so that listen here before you say that I'm the one saying it. Listen. Residents
of Ameku, Mkalabha, one community that the Fulani herdsmen are threatening, they told them not to go out, that they will protect them, that they...
I will not interrupt the video. Let me leave the video to run. Call Chidi, call Damage. Listen here.
To stay at home. So this Igbo community stayed at home. They did not bother to prepare for war or for anything. What happened is that around 9 a.m., the Fulani herdsmen came. They raised down the community. They killed over 30 persons. And the operation lasted for 6 hours. And no security operative was seen on site. And after the operation, the Fulani herdsmen left. Then the soldiers and the police came to tell them sorry. And I started helping them to gather corpses. Okay. The story doesn't look like this is a sane environment or a safe place. And this is what I'm going to take you through to understand what transpired in this video. And when this thing were going on, I mean, when everything has started going down, when the Fulani herdsmen left, the soldiers came and asked the villagers, nobody should take video of what happened. Okay. I want you to follow me step by step in this video. Let us unfold the details of what transpired on Sunday.
Life moves fast, so do we. Send money quickly with Remitly. Download the app today.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today is February 4th, being Tuesday, 2025. Thanks for joining me in this video. On Sunday, there was something that happened in Ebonyi State. It was tragic. So I got a report on Monday, that was yesterday, and I tried my possible best to put some calls to really know the situation of things going on in Ebonyi State, okay? In that Sunday, it was reported that the Fulani herdsmen invaded one of the Ebonyi community. They raised down the houses like you are seeing on the screen right now. They raised down the houses. They put people on a hopeless situation. And as at that Sunday, the following day, Monday, when I got the report, I was told that a lot of people left their homes. They left the village. They just sacked the village for nothing. Now, when the people left the village, what happened? Is it not for these people to occupy it? Because that is the purpose of trying to, chase people out of their ancestral homes. The worst thing is that this thing is happening in Igbo land. You see, time without number, we warned about all these things coming. We knew that these things are going to come. We know that these things are happening. But anyway, the politicians in Igbo lands, they never believe that the Fulani, herdsmen that they call herdsmen, they are terrorists. They never believe that they are the one doing all these things. Or maybe they have something in common with them. Maybe they are backing them up because.
That is why I always shout on this platform that your governors, your religious leaders, all these elite, whoever you like, call them, these people are your problem. I always say it here. The earlier you realize this is better for you, is better for you. These people have alleged, they have sworn with their life that they will not stand and see something good for you. Look at these things happening now. You can't see it nowhere, no television station. But if it's something happen now, they tell you, oh, one police station or one this, you'll be seeing the whole social media. Listen, let me not go more further.
Something in common with them, maybe they are backing them up. Okay. Because I do not see the reason why people will invade your place, they kill you, they do all sort of things. Then the people you have who are agitating, who are really standing by the people, the real agitators, people who are agitating, who are fighting these people, going to the bush, doing all sort of things. They were proscribed. They came against them. So at the end, the question is, who is going to save these people? Only one thing. If Nnamdi Kanu is released, I think they will have a solution to all these problems going on. Now, what really happened in Ebonyi State? Let's go to this report by Sahara Reporters. Residents of Amekun, Nkalaha community in the Ishelu local government area of Ebonyi State are fleeing their homes in droves as the death toll in Sunday's ampersement faction rose to 16. Now, Sahara.
Let me pause here. Chidi Nwayaowo, when Simon Ekpa was here, this is your community. You couldn't defend your people. Oh, the case you are doing this. I will tell you, Anyuku ne koremo hifeji. Omo heboge eduga mado. Okay, for any society, also Anyuku and Ekuru, just check the whole that society or that country. They will never see something good. Because of unu more press something good na biaru unu na your press with again Anyuku na Ekuru. If you're gonna get somebody name you can't embrace that person or say him Jishi Kenolo. Simple thing. This is if you our leader Okrikrio. I went to the school of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I know what is said. Radio Biafra, when he was Radio Biafra, that is where I worship. When I enter there, I say I'm going to school. Let's keep going. Let's keep going.
Now, Sahara Reporters reported that it was up to 16, okay? But I was told that the people that died as of on Monday, yesterday, okay, they told me that they are up to 30. So how can 30 people in just one village be raised down? And you don't see this in the news. You don't see it in the news. Nobody even talk about it. Nobody cares. Everybody just keep quiet as if nothing is going on. But this is human beings. The governors we have in Nigeria, just imagine where 30 people die. Let it be that 30 governors die. Nigeria will be mourning. But these are human beings. But nobody cares about them. Now, when Sahara Reporters visited the community on Monday, hundreds of residents were seen on the road, leaving the community with some of their belongings, including cooking pots and mattresses, to nearby communities. This is a shameful thing. This is a shameful thing. Shame to Southeast governors.
Call Chidi.
You fail to protect your people. This thing is not.
Call Chidi with all his gang. Dr. Damage, call them and listen.
I'm going to have a live broadcast about how you see the retired brigadier generals in Yoruba land, even though in the time past that Yoruba people have tried to embrace all these people like their brothers, but now they are understanding that our land is already occupied. But the Igbos won't think about that. They are thinking about people who are agitating. That's not nothing to them.
Tell them.
The Yorubas are now exposing everything going on in their land. But the Southeast governors, retired military officers, they appoint.
Wait, my brother. They are playing politics. We are doing political right. That is what the Southeast governor, people that you rely on. Why other people have waken up and know that one day ọka mma na-ejiri oge chụwa ewu ojii before chineji ife m na-agwa unu mmiri a na-erunu mmiri a na-erunu ọ ga-ama ohu ma nna ya ukwu ọkụfụ mmiri a na-eru n'igwe ọma ohu ọma nna ya ukwu. Listen, let's keep going.
Retired military officers, they are pointing fingers to people who are agitating. It is going to be over for you people because I have shouted time without number. I said, once something is going on, you point finger at the wrong person. Okay. You are not going to see the solution. Okay. Because you are going to give,
Sorry, my brother. Iwe when I go korocha nwokoma chere kangwa. The same thing they did to Mazi Simon Ekpa, pointing finger at the wrong person. Now they have taken him. When they look at how many lives that was lost. If this young man no n'ebe akwa si na-ekwekwe m nuo na ọbụkwa ahụ ya nwa ka a na-achọkwa na ọbụkwa unuwa ụmụ ogbenye ndị na-enweghị ọnụ ga-ekwuru ha na ọbụkwa unu ka a na-achọ ka egbusise nakọrọ unu ala unu na ife unu n'aka ike. Young Igbo youth na-arụ ọrụ sabo ịmahụ what is coming, mmiri na-eru and mmiri a na-eru ọma ohu ọma nna ya ukwu ọmahụkwa onye bụ onye ndị a na-arụ sabo ọmahụkwa onye bụ onye isinipu commander isinipu this one isinipu nke na-akọ. My man, I'm coming for those guys. Wait.
Finger at the wrong person, you are not going to see the solution because you are going to give an edge for people, the real people who are really terrorizing, your place to go ahead because you are pointing finger at the wrong people. Just look at now. The last time I saw places like this was in Benue. Okay. And Plateau State. Okay. Borno State. Okay. Southern Kaduna. Zamfara.
On the amazing Igbo now.
It's so painful. This is so painful. That Igbo community.
On the amazing there.
Now, let's continue with that. On getting to the community, the surviving residents we are seeing.
Please, my brothers and sisters, as you are getting this video, please make sure that you subscribe to our channel, USB Gospel. What we are preaching here is the gospel of truth. We will tell you things the way they are. We are not going to add, we are not going to put or no. We will give you raw. Go to subscribe to our channel. Join us on Twitter page. Go there, you will see the images to see why I always put this. Not that is the white side is there, but here is to tell you what is going on in our land. Okay? People I'm sending message, they understand what I'm talking about.
Understands mourning their losses. So our reporters was shown houses and properties that were burned and destroyed by the invading assassin who took advantage of Sunday morning when majority of the people had gone to churches. 3 corpses that were recovered on Monday morning were seen either being prepared for burial by the family members. So our reporters counted 7 yam barns that were burned, 25 houses that were completely razed.
Okay.
25 houses, okay? Now, 5 houses which didn't burn down had their windows and all badly damaged. Some of the corpses being buried during the visit and their throats slit, while some had several gunshots. Speaking to Sarah reporters, residents who spoke in Igbo lamented the complicity of the Nigerian army and the Nigerian police in the gruesome attack. Let me stop here. The people who spoke to Sarah reporters said the army and the police were accomplices to this attack. Let it sink into your brain. Let it sink into whatever you are thinking or whatever you are doing. Police and army are seen to be accomplices to what went wrong. Now, why do they say so? Now, they accuse the Nigerian military of aiding the Fulani herdsmen attack, adding that the military and the police came on Sunday telling them that nobody should leave the community, only for attackers to strike, killing 16 persons and wreaking havoc and for several hours. They added that there is no intervention from either police or the military. This is where this thing gets worse. The military and the police asked everybody not to leave their homes on Sunday morning.
The main one is coming. Listen, just everybody should relax. Listen, please don't be hurried to leave this. This is very, very interested. That is why I'm making this video. This video is very interesting. Don't be hurried to leave. Subscribe to USB Gospel and go to our Twitter page. It's USB Gospel. Follow us there. You'll be seeing these videos raw. The way it is. I have the video from the homeland, from the land of Biafra. Raw ones. You will get it there.
Only for them to stay by and Fulani herdsmen came, they attacked, they killed, they destroyed them. I don't understand this thing at all. This is not, you cannot fathom what is going on. You can't understand this, okay? This is the report by Sahara reporters. I got this report, but I know the purpose why I always use Sahara reporters' report to say all these things, okay? The residents said that the army and the police helped Fulani herdsmen to kill them, to raise down their houses. That the police and army asked them not to go out. And these people came and killed them, destroyed their houses.
Okay.
And police and army did not intervene.
Okay.
This is in the report, okay?
Okay.
Now, let's go forward. They say, after the carnage, they said Nigerian army troops and some policemen were sent to the community to condole with the residents.
Okay. Okay.
Worse still, when they came, the soldiers seized the phones of our people who were making videos and threatened that if they see the videos of the carnage and pictures of the destruction, they will come back and destroy them, said one Edeze whose phone was seized. Come on.
Did you see that? When we are telling you people that Nigerian army, when we are telling the world that Nigerian police, Nigerian army, Nigerian navy, mention them together, all of them are all terrorists. When we call them terrorists, you think that we don't know what to say. They were threatening the remaining one, then killed men in that community, threatening them, telling them if they see the viral video of atrocity that they have committed in your community, that there will be they will come there and finish everything. Listen here. It's not from me. Listen here. That's why I'm showing the video. Before you say it's me.
Come on. Now, according to him, after they carried 10 corpses, which our people recovered, including the retired police, namely Mr. James Ogbu, from different locations, they were slaughtered. The soldiers returned and hand back the phone seized from the people. So, they never wanted them to take the pictures of what is happening. And that is why you see mainstream media don't report all these things. Your mainstream media, they don't report all these things. These are the reasons. Imagine.
You see the reason why we call all your journalists brown envelope. These people are ndị Igbo si na okenye na anọ n'ụlọ ebe anwụ n'ọba. You see them in channel television. Oh, Simon Ekpa did this. Igbo people did this. That they are not reporting what is happening, atrocity that the government that they are working for, because of all of them they have their paid masters that tell them what to report and what to not report. They have warned them. Nigerian military have warned them. The terrorists itself, the Nigerian government that is terrorist itself have warned them. If I dare do that, you people will be gone. That is why we tell our people, go to this channel, help us, subscribe on this channel, share our video, join us here. If you see something, you say something. Our job here is to be propagating the gospel of truth, gospel of God. That is our work here. Here we stand. Here we stand. Let me tell you, that is why people listening to all this channel television, voice of the people, voice of that, have then tell you this is what is happening. They have warned them. If they want to say it, they will be laughing on it. But if it happens somewhere else, you will see them. Igbo people, they have done that. But now, look at what is happening in the Igbo land. Blood everywhere. People are crying. And these men and the women are sitting in their house comfortably, telling you, oh, we are voice of the people. We speak for the people. One man is always come there, ranting rubbish against Mazi Simon Ekpa. He will come there. Now, this thing have happened. They will not bring that man. He said that he's an analyst. I'm not sick. He will not come out now and condemn this thing. You people like to condemn with the condemn iron. Tomorrow will happen. That you people who are saying that they should bring this now they have brought it for you. They have taken him out of the way. Look at what is happening. Everybody under blanket. From me, from here is good afternoon. Please, as you are getting this video, please subscribe to our channel, share this video, make it to go viral, make it to go to Dr. Chidi and Dr. Damage. Let them get this video and see what they have committed with themselves because of getting Anyuku and the Ekporo. Asemo me mechi okwu m here. Asim omemma na ma yana, omenjo na njo yana. From me, from here is good afternoon.